For that. Me and you are locked in for first round.
What are y'all locking in for?
Off the trailer at H2A Cash.
Don't lock in first round.
Who's this guy right here?
Yeah, my car's probably not even done.
It's Turbo 2 valve. What you got going on today?
Hi, Brian.
We're working on that one over there.
Okay, all right.
So no Turbo 2 valve.
Not today.
I have to go get my kids.
No turbo 2 valve today, guys.
What was it you was telling me a minute ago? Something tacos or something?
Where are you going?
Where you going? Are you going somewhere to get them?
He's talking Spanish.
Yeah, I
¿Qué
gotta
pasa?
get my brother's video.
All I heard was tacos.
Ashton can watch it for me.
¿Qué pasa? What happened?
Oh.
Brian says quesadilla.
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 I can't.
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla.
What do you pass?
Guys, welcome back to the channel. We got our
Quesadilla.
Quesadilla. We got Mr. Turbo 2 valve here
Forget
again.
it.
Unless you want something.
See what I got to put up with. What are we working on this evening?
We're working on Brian's Fox Body today.
Which is
Brian's Fox Body.
Brian's Fox Body, which is Brian's Fox Body, which is twin turbo. That you say his name twice. Brian and Brian.
We're working on Brian's Brian.
Twin turbo Fox Body.
Twin turbo notch.
Notch. It's still a Mustang.
Monday. It's a Monday. Like the black chrome fittings and everything. It looks nice. It's just I don't think it's right.
You want to catch can with a vent.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, it has a vent, but it's not what you want.
He wants the one on top.
Yeah.
Where's that one at, June?
Amazon.
Yeah, let's see a picture of it.
They said it comes with fittings and everything.
You're in for
I don't know about mine.
No, I don't care.
Hey Google.
Valve cover has to come back on.
June's name is now Google.
Alright,
So hey Google.
put the fittings up.
It costs you that.
The valve cover has to come off on thing.
$115
Put
for
a
everything.
fitting on the valve cover.
That's fittings, line, and the catch can with the filter.
How would the fittings go into the valve cover?
You weld them onto it.
You need your welder
It was a plastic.
Yeah.
You just get the hose ends in.
So if I get the hose ends, I don't have to do anything. I just right.
Carolina Performance.
I'd clamp them. You're still gonna have. It's not massive pressure, but you still have pressure coming out. I think.
So catch can,
Different catch can.
different catch can.
Yeah.
So you guys hit me up. I got a catch can for sale.
Yeah.
He said GoFundMe, fans only fans,
$100.
only fans,
What do they call that when they need money?
Driver's side is fine by.
Cash at me.
Cash out.
Cash App,
Yeah.
Oh,
V-
let me
Vimo?
find my Cash App.
Okay, hurry. All right.
It'd be funny, but no.
Mr. Turbo 2 Valve's got something to say about his catch can.
You guys can catch my Cash App in the description below. Yeah.
Well, just go ahead and say what it is, too, because
I
I,
don't
you
have it
know,
pulled up. You're gonna have to type it in the description.
Just spell it.
just spell it.
I don't have it up.
Do you
You
remember?
change your name anyway. It needs
I
to
think
be
it's
Turbo
Kev
2
Weave
valve.
or something. Drop top Kev. There it is. It's
Drop
gonna be
top
backwards.
Kev.
No, it ain't. It's the right way.
I don't think it's gonna be backwards.
Yeah,
It
it might be
ain't.
backwards.
No, it ain't.
Okay.
I've got it right.
Okay.
I changed the
That's
settings.
Cash App. Oh, I got my Venmo right here, guys. I can PayPal me too. I got everything you need.
Go on ahead and give me your social security number too, Kev.
Give me your PIN number to your debit card, and I'll tell you if it works or not.
Cash App,
You want to unload?
Venmo.
Oh.
$100. Catch can.
What'd you say? Was that a dolphin noise?
You gonna do a walrus next?
I don't know how to do walrus.
You gotta do the walrus. You? June?
He's a seal.
Walrus? By the way, I thought we were working on a 2 valve. The turbo 2
Tom
valve.
Robbie. Technically, it says.
It's technically a 2 valve.
Technically a 2 valve. But we're talking about the single turbo 2 valve.
Oh.
I let Brown have a day.
That was a nice one. That was a really nice one.
So Brian, how much you like on this?
Fuel pump, gotta wire that up. Fan. Vacuum line's gotta run. Anti-roll bar. line lock.
Ooh, yeah. Right. I need that.
Yeah. Some oil.
Too old to use the foot.
Some oil.
Some oil.
Earl.
Put some Earl in it.
Put some Earl in it.
Put some Earl in it. What kind of gas is he gonna have?
He's got the bleach blend.
It's a clean burn.
Does he have the?
So it burns evenly across the cylinders.
Has he got the little toilet thing? What do you call that toilet thing?
Mint.
The mint.
Yeah.
The mint. York peppermint patty.
That's his fuel
That's
pump.
what it is.
It fuel pumps the mint. His fuel pump's soft. He lays the mint under it.
I don't know what you're eating, but
Cookout.
Cookout.
Tastes like booty hole.
Why didn't you get cheese curds?
I did.
You did?
Yeah, they were
Did you eat
good.
them all?
Yeah.
No, I'm good. I didn't want any. Thank you.
Hey, I tried one of them for you. It was good.
She's like, I just got done eating a hamburger. I said, no, I'm good. Thanks. I don't want any.
You say
What-
to her, she'll feel really bad.
Yeah, she was like, go get you one. I said, no, we're good. Thank you.
You do realize?
She's watching the video.
Yep.
It didn't happen. Forget what I said. Delete, edit, cut.
Make the dolphin sound. We'll bleep it out.
More like a horse.
You gonna do a dolphin impression too?
I don't have one.
Would ask this guy right here, but they ain't telling what he'll say.
Hey, can you have me put my new steering wheel in?
Is that the quick ratio?
Yeah. Easy release, quick release.
So, boost gauge
Yeah.
right there.
Yeah.
Looks good.
You like it?
How much boost you making?
Probably
63.
1.5 each. Yeah, I think we'll leave it there.
Yeah, probably
That's
something
good right
like
there.
probably something like 1 bar.
This guy right here.
Advantage.
Yeah, I'm playing on advantage.
I play on tip.
Taking advantage.
It's not taking advantage when you play. It's not true.
Next thing you know, we're ripping out everything underneath, we're bracing everything, we're welding.
Really finish it.
He didn't tell you that the Holly EF5 was part of that, right? When he gets it? That's what he told me, yeah.
Oh, that'll be extra.
Oh, no, he said that was part of the original price.
Daddy, Daddy, let me go.
That's extra.
That would work.
That's it.
I'm sorry.
Almost perfect right there, but couldn't done it. Never worked another thing. How far we in the hour? Wider than the dog and hold it. Did you ever get you any new filters yet?
No, I ordered them.
Take these off one more time.
Oh, okay. Why?
That's good.
She's jealous.
You got 2 of them, dude. I only got 1.
What difference does that make?
You can spin 2 of them
There you
at the same time.
Right. One down, one.
No, I didn't order them. Oh. Hey, this person.
Hey, he's getting you, bro.
Hey.
No, I'm talking about a new edge car.
Watch this. Sick. Car's
No, I'm talking about a new edge car. Carrying the wheels probably twice as fast.
Yeah.
Insane.
Oh, and
Robbie's seen
waxes
that
the
video.
other car?
Yeah, he wins.
Oh,
Yeah,
I know
it's a
what
black
video
car.
you're talking about.
It's like, it's insane.
I think
The way it goes by, I'm like,
I think it's
What?
called the best
Yeah.
compass
What?
ever.
Just carries him up and takes it all the way out.
Let's see it, Kim.
I can tell you if it's the one. No, that's the red one.
Yeah, this one is.
That's crazy.
Damn,
Yeah.
Your turn.
Get him, Brian.
Okay.
Hey, I don't know which one hurt worse. You guys got to try it out. How did it
So, kind of progress make this evening on the car.
Did pretty good. We got the catch can all hooked up. And the lines ran. And now we're doing the vacuum tree with all the vacuum lines, figuring out where we want to put the boost controller.
Robbie's supervising.
Robbie's doing a very good job of supervising. Very good job.
Kevin, moral support.
Yeah, I like Kevin. Kevin's a good kid. He's all right.
Turbo 2 valve.
Yeah. Look out, guys. That's gonna be a pretty good car.
Looking forward to both of them running.
Yeah.
But, I guess we're gonna finish up the night. Hey, what are we supposed to tell them? Like, share.
And subscribe.
There you go. Like, share, and subscribe.
And don't forget to have merch.
Yeah,
guys
we
have
do.
merch. Carolina
we've,
Performance merch.
We've not pushed it too much yet on YouTube, but it's coming. We're trying to get ahead a little bit on it. So we got some merch. We got some
Put it on the bottom and
pretty good hoodies,
Yeah.
t-shirts. We got
or you can put it on the top.
we're getting ready to change up the t-shirts just a little bit.
Really?
Got a little bit different color, a little bit different design maybe on the front side anyway. But we'll keep the original on the back.
Cool.
But yeah, we got some merch. If somebody wants some merch, we can show them some pictures or something.
And how about Dino Night? You announced Dino Night yet?
No, not yet. Go ahead.
No. I'm not sure the date of it.
November 12th.
November 12th. Yeah, come on out, guys. It's an awesome little get-together. A lot of cars out in the parking lot. You got to look over everything, and got a food truck, and they'll be selling some stuff here. Pennywise, Bang the Light, they'll all be here. Come on out and have a good time with us.
Yeah, and then that the very next day will be the
race, right?
race.
Yeah.
At Wilkesboro
At
Dragway.
Wilkesboro Dragway, which is that
That's no
Bang the
prep.
Light again?
It's no prep.
It's no pro.
Yeah, no prep race at Wilkesboro.
Yeah, come on out, guys. Enjoy.